So I'm here with the other members of my team, Victor, Aaron, and Skylar, and they'll be coming up one by one in a minute to show different parts of the project that they worked on. But first things first, I want to introduce you to this. Now I know what you're thinking. Is that really your project, or is it just a work of modern art? And the answer is, it's both. But it's really so much more than this handsome exterior. Inside you're going to find all our components like the Arduino and the breadboard tucked away. So our idea was to create an Arduino based water dispenser, no? And I'm going to go ahead and cover the physical build of the thing, right? So here we have the reservoir, and it's connected through a series of pipes and fittings to a solenoid valve inside. Now the solenoid valve actually gave us the most trouble because it's a 12-volt valve, but we only have 9 volts to work with. So you're gonna see the machine's a little bit slow, but we worked with that in the design process. And now I'm gonna go ahead and let Aaron talk about how everything begins.
So to start, I'm going to talk about the input, which is the ultrasonic sensor. So I will put the cup about 10 centimeters away from the sensor. So as you can see, the water from the bottle goes right through the valves into the cup.
So in this diagram, you can see the basic idea behind the circuit. We have this thing called a MOSFET. It is a transistor. It turns on whenever the sensor detects something at the minimal distance of 10 centimeters. Whenever it's on, it routes current through the 9-volt battery to the valve, and also at the same time from the Arduino to the LEDs.
As you can see, the red LED turns on once it's dispensing water, and the green LEDs turn on consecutively every 16 seconds. When it gets to the last LED, it turns on because it's done dispensing. And
We're almost there.
Don't worry.
Like I said, it wasn't really fast.
There you go.
as you can see, you pull it out. So good. But the thing is, you can also put it back in, and I'll redo it, but if you want to pull it out, it'll stop, and before the time ends.
So here's our code. First, as you can see here, we define our hardware, and there is a very specific variable here that's very important, which is called X. After the sensor detects something at the distance of 10 centimeters, X starts incrementing. And the secret behind what we call our flow stopping mechanism is that X has a limit. So we add a limit such that when X gets to a certain amount, the flow stops, and basically that's when the glass is filled.
Perfect.